My name is Alyssa. If you're new around here, go ahead, hit subscribe, because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going skydiving for you guys, and we're getting so close, so go ahead, subscribe for me. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty Novel Geek, and today I'm so excited to show you guys what I got for my summer clothing haul. Now, I put this off for a bit because financially I was not ready to get anything, but I got a couple of things. It's not a lot, just some things that I thought were essential for this summer. And actually, this is the first thing I wanted to show you guys. I'm wearing some of my new clothes right here. So first I got this really cute beach t-shirt. It says Salty Vibes, and I just needed some more like plain t-shirts because I feel like last year I got too many crop tops and that's all I have now. I'm like, I need to like pull it back and have just some plain go-to t-shirts. And then I got these really cute pink shorts right here. These are so cute and they fit perfectly. I love them so much. Like, I feel like I'm gonna wear these all summer long. And this next t-shirt that I got is actually for the 4th of July, which is coming up really soon. It has America on the front, and then on the back it has America printed a few more times, with 1776 written on the back. And I just needed something patriotic to wear for the 4th of July, but I think this is really cute. It's actually so comfortable to wear too. I definitely still need to find a way to style it in time for the 4th of July because so far I've just been wearing it with shorts and I want it to look a little more cool than that for the 4th of July. So comment down below some ideas you guys have for styling this t-shirt. Next up is this cute cropped one shoulder like shirt, and I was unsure about how this one would look on me, but I actually kind of like it. The color was supposed to be more like teal, and this came out like they sent me a more green one, so I kind of don't know how I feel about it, but overall it's actually pretty good. I don't think I've worn this color before. The next item that I got is this really cute pink tank top. This one's not cropped, which is really what I wanted and was looking for. And this is actually from Target. So it's actually really cute. I just thought this would be like really cute to pair with different outfits and just kind of like a staple piece, but also I realized that I love pink and I love blue. And I have a ton of blue in my wardrobe, but not enough pink. So I tried to get a little bit more pink stuff this time. Now this next top is a cropped tank top, and again, more pink. That's what I wanted in my wardrobe. It's just a ton more pink. And this one I thought was really cute because I love like the vibrant orange that it has going around it too. It's just like very me, very bright, very pink, very bubbly. I like it. It's friendly looking. And I love like it has a crisscross back to it, so that's something I also really liked about it. And I don't know, it's just like very vibrant. It shows up well on camera too, so it's gonna be good for my videos. Next up, I actually got this set of 3 tank tops, all with the same shape but different colors. And I think this is actually pretty flattering on my body shape, but I'm like worried about it being like too much. But I kind of like them, and they're like these halter necks. See, I don't know. Like, is it too much? Another thing that I ended up getting for this summer was a lot of dresses, this being one of them. This is the only pink dress that I was able to get. I actually really like this one. It's cute. It's a little bit shorter than I thought it would be, but I don't mind actually. I don't know. I really like the way it looks. This is the next dress that I got, and actually I think this one might be my favorite. I just love the way that it looks on me. It's like so comfy. It's such a cool fabric for the hot summer heat, and I don't know, it just looks really cute, really feminine. I've been wanting to dress more feminine lately, so definitely need to lean into that. Just look how poofy the skirt gets. And this is the third dress that I got. This one has such light fabric as well, but it came a little wrinkly, so I need to iron it a little bit. But other than that, it's really cute. I was actually so worried about this one not fitting, but I think this one's so flattering. And it's got like a little leg slit. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but little leg slit down there. I think it's really cute actually. This one's just like so elegant, you know? Now this is actually the last dress that I got for the summer. I thought this one was so cute. This one's from Hollister actually, and I love this one so much. It's actually pretty well like structured and it feels like very quality, but I love the sleeves more than anything. I just feel like this is like the perfect vacation dress, you know what I mean? Of course, I had to get a couple of accessories, including this sun and moon pair of earrings. And then I bought this beautiful set of rings. I thought these were super cute and dainty. I also got this set of beach style necklaces that I thought were super cute for summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for today's clothing haul. I'm so glad that you stayed till the end, and make sure you hit subscribe because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I am going skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty Navel Geek. Remember that self-love is half learned and half earned, so make sure you learn to love yourself, curves and all. And I will see you guys next time.